Alright, so for this exercise we have solving an exponential equation using natural logarithms. And for this specific exercise, Alex is asking us to give a decimal answer, which means we may use this calculator. So, first of all, what is the problem we're given here? We have the number e raised to the 8y equals 12. And what we want to do in this case is solve for y, which means we want this y here alone. We cannot have it alone at the moment because we have here an a, an e, and we have here an 8. So we want to find a way to leave that y alone. Because I have y in the exponent, I need to apply a rule, which is the power rule of logarithms, which tells me whenever you have the natural logarithm of a number, for example 5, to the third power, you can take that exponent down like this. All I did was take this number and place it here. Okay, but here I don't have any logarithm, so I cannot apply that rule yet. First thing that I have to do is add a logarithm here so that I can later apply this rule. So first, add a logarithm. In this case, it's going to be a natural logarithm because I have e. So if I add a natural logarithm to the left side of this equation, I will have natural logarithm of e to the 8y, which equals the natural logarithm of 12. I am adding a natural logarithm on both sides so that I don't affect the equality. Then here, I can actually go and use the power rule, which is going to be 8y times the natural logarithm of e equals natural logarithm of 12. All I did in this step was take this number down here, and then here is nothing because I took it down, and that is the power rule. Okay, now I know that the natural logarithm of e equals 1. By definition, when you have a logarithm base of the same argument, it's always 1 because you think, what number should I raise e to get e? Well, 1. That's why this is 1. So I can write this as a 1. 8y that multiplies number 1 equals the natural logarithm of 12. Okay, now here 8, I don't want it here, so I'm moving it to the right side, dividing, and that way I have y alone. But Alex is asking me to give a decimal number, so I need to use a calculator here. So I will input this is a natural logarithm of 12. Alright, over 8. Then equal this number. This number here. This is the answer. That is 0.31. Just like that. Okay, and I will check. Yeah, that is right. That is the answer to this exercise.